Hello, sorry na late. Ang traffic kasi.
Hindi, okay lang.
Sure ka na ba? Ito na ba talaga yung gusto mo?
Hindi ko rin alam eh. It's been 6 years na ganito tayo. But I feel like we'll grow separately after this. And because of you, I think my dreams came true naman.
Oo naman, baliw. I'll still support you naman kahit ganito na tayo. And all of those times that we spent together, hindi ko naman makakalimutan yun eh.
I'm gonna miss all of you, you know. Your exclamation notify, your stars, your ugly dashboard, your laggy streams, your papingi gushon skin. May miss kita, lahat yun. FB.